Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create your own private mirror. It's pretty simple. I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create your own private mirror. So the first step is to register a domain at your favorite registrar such as Amazon, GoDaddy, or Namecheap. You can buy a domain as cheap as $3. For example, like my website here, my domain here, I only bought it for like $3, and you can start to work on this domain as well. As you can see, this is active since August the 3rd, and this is where you can see that it is now active and online. So, first step done. Second step, create a free Cloudflare account and add your domain. And I have created my account and I have added a site, which is my site here. If you haven't had a site, then you can select an add site. Let us go back, click here. You can see that I have already added my domain to Cloudflare. And third step, you will need to change your domain name servers to Cloudflare. You have to click on the DNS, scroll down. As you can see, the Cloudflare name servers, there are 2 lines, and you have to copy these 2 to your Namecheap account, which is over here. Domain list. Click on domain list and choose custom DNS. Add these 2. You can copy and paste these 2, and then there will be a confirm button here, and you click, and then it's done. It's the third step. And the fourth step is you use Cloudflare DNS to make your domain a mirror, private-mirror.cpabuild4.com. You can use the following CNAME record over here. Right, so just add record and choose the CNAME, add, and a private mirror, and then save. Yeah, and for this line, you just www and your website .xyz and plus save. You have to complete these 2 steps. Alright, and that's it for step number 4. Step number 5. Under the SSL settings, change SSL mode to flexible. You can click here and change to flexible. Step 6, add your domain in the form below, which I have already added my domain here, and just click save, and that's it. Step number 7, in the links private URLs, create a new URI called index. You can click here, and then here's how I did it. Index, choose your custom template, which is I'm gonna pick like this guy, a content locker, this one, and a mobile locker, and then click save. And that's pretty much it. You have to wait like 24 hours for everything to be ready, and then you just need to like play around, try different templates and lockers and mobile lockers. you can just customize everything, which is I'm going to show you in the next video. So now every time you want to use your link, just and then replace the domain.com to, like, for example, my site unlockfile.xyz, and it's ready to use. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.